At home, I'm always surrounded, but it's by people that I've known all my life. And at school, it's like, these people don't know me. They don't know me that well. Yeah.
I don't want to be seen by a lot of people. Like, I'm very socially aware. If I see someone that's at the end of the hallway that I know I'm gonna have to pass, I'll just go find a different way to go so I don't have to interact with someone and get really anxious about it.
Referring back to Cambodia, our school system was set up with rankings. So who was in the first place, second place, we always have that every single month. So it was a very competitive environment. So our parents always pushed us to be the number one in school, be the first place in everything.
I still had a very thick accent back then. So when I started 5th grade, I got bullied a lot because I couldn't understand most things.
I like ITC. It's nice. It's small. My friends are great. They're really motivated to do their best, which motivates me because I'm like, if my friends are doing great, then I have to do great too. I can't just fall behind.
I think it's a really powerful thing to be involved with so many different people and different cultures, and even within my friend group, we're all from different places. I love learning about them and their past and everything about it. It's like one of my favorite things to do.
I like them. They're nice. They're kind humans, and they're very accepting and understanding people. So yeah, and they can be very motivating.
I don't think I'm gonna do much. I don't think I'm good enough to do anything. I know I want to be a lawyer, but will I actually be one?
I love having these amazing creative people around me, and I love learning new things from them and learning what they went through. And I think I love their stories, each one of them. But I feel like it still feels so long, and I don't know why.